In previous lesson, we have learned some simple sentences and some negative sentences. In this video, we will see some more example of simple sentences, negative sentences and interrogative sentences. And then we will also see Hindi tenses in this video. So let's start with simple sentences. As we all know, simple sentences has a structure in English, and just like that in Hindi language, simple sentences has a structure also. And that is subject plus object plus verb if required, plus hai or who, and then full stop. For example, if we want to translate this sentence, I like this song. So here, firstly we have to find subject of this sentence. And I is subject. I means मैं और मुझे. And then we have to find object. Here object is this song, which means यह गाना. And now verb. So here verb is like, which means pasand. And lastly we have to add hai. Now we have got the Hindi sentence, मुझे यह गाना पसंद है. Now we take another sentence, I am a businessman. So here subject I means मैं, object a businessman means एक व्यापारी, and no verb is here. So our Hindi sentence is मैं एक व्यापारी हूँ. Now see structure of negative sentences. Subject plus object plus a verb if required plus nahi plus hai or ho. If I want to translate this sentence, I don't like this song. Here subject is I means मैं और मुझे. Object is this song means यह गाना. Verb is like means पसंद, and then we add नहीं है. So we got मुझे यह गाना पसंद नहीं है. Let's take another sentence. I am not a businessman. So here subject is I means मैं, object a businessman एक व्यापारी, and then we add नहीं हूँ. So we got मैं एक व्यापारी नहीं हूँ. Now see structure of interrogative sentences. Subject plus question word plus object plus verb if required plus है or who, and then question mark. Let's translate a sentence. Which song do you like? Subject you means तुम और तुम्हें. Question word which कौन सा. Object song गाना. Verb like पसंद, and then we add है and question mark. So we got तुम्हें कौन सा गाना पसंद है. Now take another one. Who are you? Subject you means तुम. Question word who means कौन, and object and verb is not here, so then we add हो. So we got तुम कौन हो. I hope it can be easy for you to make Hindi sentences with their structures. So they are, for simple sentence, subject plus object plus verb plus है और हूँ. Negative sentence, subject plus object plus verb plus नहीं plus है और हो. Interrogative sentence, subject plus question word plus object plus verb plus है और हो, and then question mark. Now we learn Hindi tenses, which means काल in Hindi. There are three types of Hindi tenses. Present tense means वर्तमान काल, past tense means भूत काल, and future tense means भविष्य काल. They all have four parts as we have in English: indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So we will learn present indefinite tense in next video.